$30,000 of illegal fireworks were on display at a press conference held just 1 week before the 4th of July to remind everyone in Long Beach that selling and/or using fireworks is not only illegal, but highly dangerous, and that the city has a zero-tolerance policy.
This year especially, I think our police department is working extra hard, like they always do, to ensure that we're also trying to catch some of these criminals that are actually selling in large amounts these illegal fireworks out of their homes and in other ways.
Enforcement of illegal fireworks is very challenging for law enforcement, not just here in Long Beach, but across the board. If we don't see the violation, we cannot enforce the violation, and that's a key. While we are still focused on the users of fireworks in Long Beach, we have put more emphasis on the suppliers of fireworks, specifically illegal ones, which you can see the results of these efforts here today.
The fireworks on display were the result of a single bust that took place at a Long Beach home where a makeshift storefront had been opened in the garage. 3 adults were arrested and 4 children, ages 5 to 17, were referred to the care of Children's Services. This is just one of several incidents that have taken place over the past few weeks.
The suspects that we arrest in these investigations are often gang members. In fact, both male suspects we arrested in last night's case are documented gang members. So it's very important for the community, the viewers, to understand that when they purchase these fireworks, these type of fireworks behind me, from unauthorized sources, they are essentially putting money in the pockets of street gangs supporting their illicit activities.
While both our police and fire departments are working to stop all illegal fireworks in Long Beach, they need the community's help.
And I also want to make it very clear to everybody who is watching or going to read the stories that if you are caught selling or using fireworks in the city of Long Beach, you will be arrested or cited. We need our community support though, so if you see something, you've got to say something. If you see people selling fireworks on social media or in your neighborhood, you need to call us at 435-6711 or simply dial 911.
Okay, when we hear fireworks, we can't just respond to that. We need an address. We need to know who's doing it. We need to know who's loaded in their garages so we can take care of this problem.
The safety and well-being of everyone in Long Beach is vital, so please remember, all fireworks are illegal in Long Beach. Instead, enjoy one of the various professional displays that will take place on July the 4th. Thank you for your support.